And I know that you went, in Seattle, you lived in a small intentional community?
Yeah, it was a very, very neat place. Asya, my wife, was moving to Seattle for a postdoc, and we were looking for somewhere to live. And I just sort of Googled Jewish Seattle, and the first thing that came up was this place called the Ravenna Kibbutz. 3 houses. At the time, it was 3 houses on one block. It was communal housing, and you didn't pay rent, you paid dues. And you could have your dues reduced by doing public programming for young Jewish adults in the community. So we did a Yiddish dance workshop. I did a Yiddish film series. We did a play reading, not in Yiddish, but in Yiddish translation. And we brought Yiddish to this community. And it was just, again, I talked about diversity in the Yiddish community, in this small intentional community, very diverse Jewishly, and just all kinds of great people. And like in any community, there was conflict, but there was also just warmth, and it was a really, really neat experience. Unfortunately, the community has shrunk since we left, and I think I saw on Facebook that they're having their last Shabbos meal, which is sad, that they're like closing down. But it was very vibrant for many years, and the year that we were there was very fun.